Hi everybody. Okay, so I've arrived safely in Munich in Germany, and I'm at the airport, so I'm just going to do a quick walk around for you to show you where to find what. But the videos from now on will be shorter. I will also show you how to use the S-Bahn to get to Munich and how the ticket system works, and then start exploring Germany for the next 4 days. Okay, well, let's start with the airport. So let me take you for a walk around. Let's go. Okay, so this is where I came out, but there are different arrival parts at this airport. So if you just want to get out and grab a taxi or a bus to get to the city, this is where you can exit. However, I want to take you into the airport to show you here's an ATM, so you can quickly grab cash, and show you everything that you can find within the airport. I see the people here is a little bit camera shy. This one guy gave me a look. He did not want to be in this video. I'm going to try my best to find my way back to where I just walked into. This is actually a day after my arrival. I took the train back to the airport just to come and make this video for you. Look how cute this is. So the signage, everything is in both English and German, which makes it super easy to navigate. Okay, so we say Munich, but it's in Germany, it's München or whatever, how it's pronounced. Sorry if I butcher your language. And that name will come in front of everything. So if you want to go to the airport, if you want to go to the city, you're going to put the name first. You have toilets here to the left. So everywhere you get exit points if it is where you need to go, or if you have other arrangements. And these stations is where you will buy your tickets for the S-Bahn train. So it says airport to city. I'll show you how to do that later. Right now, I just want to show you the airport. Pretty much just like any other airport. It's not too big. You don't have to get stressed or rush too much. You can easily walk through it in like 10 minutes. Here you have an information station. They're very helpful. They actually helped me this morning. And you got your departures again. Okay, this is interesting. Travel and transfer. It seems, I can be wrong, but it seems as if you want to go on a tour of some sort or travel somewhere else. These are like travel agencies. And quite a few of them. So maybe that's something that you're interested in. Yeah, more ATMs and currency exchange. And then car hire, you'll find them in this section. So they're on this side, but they're also over here. What's this? It's the gold. Actually, that will make a really cool thumbnail picture, don't you think? Definitely gonna do that. Thumbnail. Okay. Luggage. More ATMs. How nice this is. I like it. Looks so cool, right? Ooh. Oh, I love this. Oh man, this is so cool. Okay. Okay. And this is the main exit point. From here you can just walk somewhere, or you can take a bus or the train. Okay, so that's the airport. As you can see, it's not a massive airport. It's very simple to navigate through it. They got everything in English, okay, for you to find your way. And the information desk and the people here are extremely helpful. So they just can sort any question out in 5 seconds flat. Okay, everybody. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to use the S-Bahn to get from the airport to Munich city center. Alright, well, I hope you enjoyed the walk with me, and let's go see how the S-Bahn works. Until next time, bye!